Let's unpack, test and review 1x1 foldable solar charger. High efficiency solar cell, around 22-23.5%, built-in intelligent identification IC, recognize Samsung and Apple device to provide fast charging. Dual USB output with maximum 3.3 amperes in total. Overcurrent, over voltage and short circuit protection. Suitable for mobiles and tablets, lightweight and ultra thin design. Let's remove it from the box. This is how it looks, the box itself. We will get the manual, USB cable, and the solar charger itself. Firstly, read the manual before you will start using the product. The weather condition will affect the charging strength. It have built-in smart chip with unique automatic start function controlled by software. This is the solar panel. Actually, it's 4 of them. And as you can see, the light automatically went on and I can start using the product. But to get the maximum strength, need to place it under direct sun outside. I have 3 different devices to test it with. This iPhone is almost completely discharged. iPhone is charging, currently 4%. Let's plug one more device. Battery charged at 65%. Let's connect it as well. Right, and it works. Currently charging 2 devices at the same time. iPhone and Windows Phone. Let's check how long it will take to fully charge those 2. This one was on 65. Windows Phone and iPhone currently have 4%. Looks like I don't have enough light to charge both of them in the same moment. Let's keep on the iPhone. After 7 minutes, let's check iPhone charge level. It have 12%. Let's wait longer to fully charge the battery. As you can see, currently it's almost 6 p.m. That's why it's not that much sun. I cannot charge two devices in the same moment, only one. Got 26% after almost 20 minutes. Both of them charging without any problems. You just have to make sure that you have enough sunlight if you're using this product. The voltage tester. This product can charge without any interruptions. This was unboxing, review and testing 1byone 24 watt solar charger. Environmental way to charge your device. Thanks for watching.